Want to take your WhatsApp experience on your iPhone to the next level? Stick around till the end of this video as I'll be reviewing 5 hidden WhatsApp settings that most people don't know about. So let's dive right in. Settings 1. Open up the shortcut app. Next, tap on plus icon from the top right corner. Now tap on the search box. Type WhatsApp. Then select WhatsApp Messenger. After that, tap Send Message via WhatsApp. Now you can select any contact here in the recipient. Like I'm gonna choose my friend by tapping on the plus icon next to the recipient field. Select your favorite contact and then tap on arrow icon from the top. Now simply tap Add to Home Screen. Now here you can rename your shortcut like I'm gonna type favorite chat. Here you can set your favorite contact's picture by selecting the gallery and select Choose Photo. Now select a photo you wanna set from your photos. After selecting the photo, tap Choose from the bottom right corner. Then tap Add from the top right corner. And here you can see the WhatsApp chat shortcut on your iPhone home screen. Settings 2. Open up the WhatsApp app. Now open any chat. Press and hold any text message. Now tap star. After that, a star will appear next to the message. To view the starred message, go back to the WhatsApp home screen. Then tap on the settings from the bottom right corner. Here you will find the option called Starred Message. Now tap on Start Message. Here you can see the message you recently starred. Settings 3. Go to the WhatsApp app. Tap on the settings from the bottom right corner. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Privacy. Scroll down again. Find the Read Receipts. Simply disable Read Receipts. By turning off Read Receipts, others can see when you have read their messages. Settings 4. Go to the WhatsApp again. Tap on the settings from the bottom right corner. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Privacy. Next, tap Last Seen and Online. Decide who can see your last seen status to manage your online visibility, like everyone, my contacts, or nobody. Settings 5. Suppose you're going to type an important message to your friend and you need to bold some words. How would you do it? Don't worry, just open up the chat box in WhatsApp. Type an asterisk before and after the text you want to bold. Like asterisk, this is so important, and again asterisk. These are the 5 best WhatsApp settings that no one has shared before, and they'll definitely change your WhatsApp experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. If I missed any great settings, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.